For some people, renovating is a really scary process. Some of our customers in the middle of the renovation, if I can put it this way, you like this because it's an emotional roller coaster. We just try to stay like that, listen, understand where you're coming from. At the end of the day, you just want the perfect kitchen, you want the perfect bathroom, you want issues resolved. You may love us, but at the end of the day, you'd love us gone and to leave you with a beautiful end renovation. And we understand that. And so some people can get stressed in the process. That's okay. We respond to make sure that we're dealing with what needs to be done. Because at the end of the day, we understand you want it done. You've got strangers in your home working on a renovation that you can't live normal. It's a massive inconvenience with everything going right, let alone if there are a few issues that come into play. At the end of the day, you want it done and you want everyone out. That's what we work towards. You've got our mobile numbers. You can ring us after hours. And to be honest, if we're doing it well, hopefully there's not that many reasons you need to ring us after hours anyway, because we're communicating with you. More often than not, if I find that someone's getting pretty anxious, I can look back and think maybe we just need to up our communication a little. And so you've got those human elements that come into a renovation.